Welcome everyone to Balance by Meghan. I'm Meghan. Today's video is a rainy day yoga flow. So if it's raining where you are, then this is the video for you. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. So beginning low to the ground today, we'll bring our hands behind us. Yogi's choice, fingertips can point towards the body or away. And we'll get centered here. And then we'll bring our feet as wide as the yoga mat. Knees knocking in towards each other. And begin to windshield wiper the legs. Back and forth. Back and forth. So if you're like me, rainy days might mean more of a lazy day for you. Maybe you feel like Netflixing all day. But I always try to find time on my mat. So if you're in one of those positions today, where you're not really sure what to do, you don't really feel like doing anything, then this is a nice flow to incorporate and just to move the body a little bit. And lifting the heart and the chest, you might begin to close down the eyes and just notice the sensations in your body as you move the legs back and forth. And then we'll bring the legs to stillness, finding a cross-legged position. Sit up nice and tall, and again, maybe closing down the eyes. Inhale, reaching the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, take your left hand to your right knee. Inhale, lengthen from the crown of the head. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, twist a little more. Inhale. Exhale, air leaves the body. 2 more here. And inhale, come back through to center. Exhale, side out. Inhale, reaching the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, take your left hand to your right hand to your left knee. Inhale up. Exhale. I got a little zen there. Inhale, fill the body with air. And as you exhale, release, side out. On your breath here. Inhale, come back through to center. Exhale, once again, sighing it out, letting it go. And from here, we'll come through to all fours. Tabletop pose. Get your foundation here, spreading the fingertips nice and wide, knees underneath hips. We'll move through some cat-cows here. Inhale, dropping the belly, shining the heart forward. And as you exhale, arch the back, coming to your cat pose. Inhale, come to your cow pose. And as you exhale, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Inhale. Exhale. So take a few more cat-cows here of your own. might begin to send the hips from side to side, or take some barrel rolls here. Make it your own. And we only have a few minutes here on the mat today, so really embrace it. Try not to rush through these poses. Slow it down. Focus on your breath. And we'll take one more cat-cow here. And on your inhale, come to a neutral spine. From here, pressing away from the yoga mat, send the left leg behind you, let the leg hover. So notice here, if you're dumping your weight to the right side, equal weight pressing between all your hands. And let's take some ankle circles here, one way and then the other. And you might stay here, or begin to send the right fingertips in front of you. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, drawing it in. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale. Exhale. Make sure you're not collapsing in the lower belly here. And take one more here. Exhale, draw it all in. Plant the right hand down. Send the left leg behind you. Flex the foot. And then draw it in, coming into a low lunge. So front knee over front ankle. If you want more intensity here, begin to walk that back knee back. And just take a few deep cleansing breaths here in your low lunge. Noticing the sensations in your hips. Noticing if they're feeling rather tight today, especially on a rainy day. And from here, we'll lift up through the pelvis, send the arms in front of you and come into your crescent lunge. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, bring it into your cactus arms. Inhale, reach it up. And as you exhale, plant the hands. Send the right toes to the left side of your yoga mat, coming into a gate variation. Left elbow to left knee, and send your right fingertips in front of you, coming into a side angle. Inhale, rotate the heart up towards the sky. Exhale, draw the shoulders away from the ears. We'll take a few more deep breaths here. Inhale. As you exhale, plant the hands on either side of the front foot. Come back to your low lunge. Inhale. Exhale, bring that leg back into place and come back to your tabletop pose. Reset, find your alignment. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Sending the right leg behind you, right foot and leg hover. And we're here. Take a couple of ankle circles one way, and then the other. And you might stay here moving, or send the left fingertips in front of you. Push away from your yoga mat. Inhale. Exhale, draw it in. Inhale, send it behind you. Exhale, draw it in. Move back and forth here, finding some balance and a little bit of core. One more inhale, reach. Exhale, draw it in. Plant the hand, send the right foot behind you. And then we'll draw it in, coming into our low lunge on the other side. Inhale, shining the heart forward. And exhale, create a scissoring effect with the hips. Draw your right hip back, your left hip forward. And inhale, lift up through the pelvis, come into your crescent lunge. And exhale, come into your cactus arms. Inhale, reach it up. Exhale, plant the hands. Swing the left toes to the right side of your mat. Right elbow to right knee. And we swing the left arm in front of us, coming into a side angle. Inhale, reach, rotate the heart up. Exhale, plug the shoulder back into place. Inhale, reach. And as you exhale, bring the hands on either side of the front foot. Swing back to your low lunge. Take a breath. And as you exhale, come back to all fours. Bring the big toes to touch. Knees as wide as the yoga mat. And sink your hips back, coming into an extended child's pose. Hands reach forward. Crown of the head releases to the mat. You might begin to gently rock the forehead back and forth. And you can think of it as stimulating the third eye, or our inner teacher, or inner guidance. And at the very least, helping with the sinuses. And we'll find stillness. Come onto the fingertips and begin to walk your hand over to the right side of your yoga mat. Inhale here, exhale, release. Feel a nice side body stretch in the left side. On your next inhale, lift the head up. Walk your hands over to the left side of the yoga mat. And reach here. And exhale, release. You can come onto the fingertips for a more intense stretch. Inhale, coming back to center. Take a breath here. On your next inhale, pull yourself up. Bring the knees together. Swing the legs to one side and come to lie on your back. So make your way down. You can take a full body stretch here, lifting the arms up and overhead, pointing the toes. And exhale, draw the hands beside you and release. On your next inhale, draw the right knee up and towards the body. And we'll send it over to the left side of our yoga mat, coming into a supine twist. And you can take a Texas T or T shape or your cactus arms and gaze opposite side of your bent knee. And a final twist before finding our Shavasana. Inhale, bring the knee in. And exhale, release it. Inhale, draw the left knee in towards your body. And as you exhale, send it over to the right side of the yoga mat. So find the twist that works for you, making sure that both shoulder blades are rooted to the mat. And stay here or gaze opposite side of your bent knee. Inhale, drawing it back in. And as you exhale, release the leg. And coming into our final pose of Shavasana. If you can hear the rain at this point, really embrace it. Maybe today you slow it down. Enjoy the pitter-patter of the rain hitting the windows. Maybe it's a day to get done something that's been on your mind for a while, or just a day to relax and unwind. And staying here as long as time will allow. Or we'll bring the hands together, palms to palms, and bring them right up to the third eye. If you haven't already subscribed to the Balance by Meghan YouTube channel, do so now so you never miss a weekly video. And share this one with a friend. From my heart to yours, I bow to you. Namaste.